So lots of very popular third-party streaming applications are now having their links blocked. Now what this means is you open up your favorite streaming application like the B one or the cinema one, you find the content you're looking for, you click on that. Now the first thing that you'll notice is there's now less links than before. And secondly, even if you do see some links, when you click on those links, none of those links are actually connecting or working properly. Now I was able to reproduce this on my device. So if I open up one of these very popular streaming applications, let's click on that. Now the very strange thing is, even though I'm using RD, Romeo Delta, to get better links, more links, high quality links, I'm also experiencing this issue. So let's do a real life demonstration. So I'll pick this content here. Let's click on that. I'll now scroll down. And this is where now you'll be able to see all of the links being populated. And you know that they are RD links is because they appear in yellow. Now, the first thing I noticed, which was very strange, is all of these links are the same size, which is 1.63 gig in size, which is a bit strange because you'd expect with different bit rates, different qualities, different resolutions, these file sizes will be different. But we can see all of the ones it's found so far, and it's found 15. We can see are all the same size. Now this is where we can actually see the problem, because if I try the first link, let's click on that, click on play, and it doesn't play. If I try the second one, click on play, it doesn't play. And one more just for luck, it's not working. Now what I suspect is happening is more and more ISPs are being forced by these copyright holders to block certain file hosts. So online repositories, different file areas where this kind of content is typically hosted, those addresses are now being blocked by your ISP, which means when my device tries to access one of those links, because those addresses are being blocked, I can't access them anymore. So what's the fix? Well, the fix is very easy. We need a method where we can access anything online without having any blocks from the ISP. What's the easiest way to do that? Well, I'm sure most of you already use a VPN when you are streaming, but let me just show you a real life example now of what kind of difference a VPN can make. So let me open up my VPN. I'm just going to connect to any location because it doesn't matter. Any location you connect to, it just means that your device now is encrypting that traffic, is sending that traffic through a secure tunnel to a VPN server. And because of that encryption, your ISP can't block you, your ISP can't throttle you, and any addresses that may have been blocked by your ISP, you can bypass those blocks by using a VPN. Well, that's now enabled. I can now press the home button. Let's now try that popular streaming application again, and let's see the difference a VPN makes. So let's open that up. Let's click on the same content. And we saw before there was 15 links available. I can now scroll down. And the first thing I see is I now see different file sizes. And instead of having 15 links in less than 20 seconds, I found more than 100 links. So you can see in real time the difference that having a VPN makes, because all of those blocks that the ISP were trying to force on me have now been completely removed. And I've got over 120 links, lots of different file sizes. I mean, this one here is 3.76 gig in size. I can now press the select button and we can see now, or click on play, we can see now in 5, 4, 3, we are straight into that content using a razor sharp 1080p stream. And that's working great. So lots of you were reporting this issue, and I would say probably the easiest thing you can try is use a VPN. Of course, you can use the same VPN that I'm using, and I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment. Using my link does support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. But you are free to use any VPN that you like, and you can see very quickly, are you now seeing more links than before? And more importantly, are those links now working correctly? Now, just before you go, guys, let me also show you on this 4K streaming box that I've been using recently. Lots of you are asking that how we can get a working mouse on this device. Here, for example, we can see the very popular Aurora store, which allows you to access the entire Google Play Store from any device. And we can see on my device, when I press the select button with the cogwheel, one click, I can now bring up the mouse, I can move around, and more importantly, if I want to click on this Crunchyroll, I can press the select button, go, that instantly selects the option, and I can now go ahead and use a fully working mouse on this on 4K streaming box. So I will be making a video on that in the next few days. Do leave me a comment below if you're interested in that. Do leave me a comment below if you have seen a big reduction in working links. Are you using a VPN? Are you using Romeo Delta? Do leave me a comment below. Let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.